Okay, so I just got my Merit Picker package and I'm so excited to open it with you on camera. Oh my god, I'm excited. Side note, it says that the box is 100% recyclable. We love that. Hello. Merit sent me two things and it came in this cute little corduroy bag. Little tan corduroy moment we love. This one is Day Glow Highlighting Balm. This is shade Canva. Alright, awesome. And then next one is the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick in shade Silk. So before I even open these, I just want to tell you a little bit about Merit if you've never heard of Merit. Merit is a clean beauty line that gives you the essentials of makeup without extra additives that you don't need, like fragrances and chemicals. For someone like me who has sensitive skin, I can't add products on my face that have too many fragrances or else I'll break out. Same thing with sulfates or silicones, they just irritate my face. So I really appreciate a brand that just gives you the essentials of makeup without the nasty additives. So with that being said, we're going to open Canva. Now this is the highlighting balm. And first of all, the packaging is so cute, very minimalist, right up their alley. Oh my god, did you hear that snap? So here it is right here. Swipe. Ooh, look at that payoff. Oh my god. That blends in nicely too. Look at that shift gives it. Okay, I'm excited. Ooh, okay. Charcoal. This is so random, but I like the texture on this. And also that gold with that charcoal. How friggin' cute. I like the creamy consistency and I love the way it blends out on my hand. It basically feels like skin, which is what I want my foundations to feel like. I don't want to feel caked up. Alright, beauty blender in hand, I'm going to apply the foundations and show you how it buffs out. You can put it right on your face or you can blend it out on your hand and apply it with a puff brush. But because it's a stick, I just went right in and put it on my face. Alright, I'm not even joking. I love the way that this blended out on my face. I have rosacea, so a lot of foundations don't really give me the coverage that I need, but my cheeks look even toned, so I'm highly impressed. I'm actually really excited. Alright, so now for the highlighter. I know a lot of people also use the back of their hand as a palette, rub the makeup in, and then take a fluff brush and apply the highlighter. But because it's a stick, I'm just gonna go right in on my face, because why not? Stop playing with me. I'm just loving this little pop that it gives my face. Hello! And boom, here we are. I just want to say thank you so much to Merit for sending these two products. And my little bag, girl. Be sure to check out Merit on all their social media pages. They will be tagged everywhere. If you want to try out any of these products for yourself, I do have a link in my description where you can go check them out and let them know Michael sent you.